Now, how gorgeous is this magnificent premium quality luxury headband? It is truly made for the royalty. And if you adore the mirror-like look, kind of same on both sides, then you will love this breathtaking design that truly takes your breath away. Look how beautifully it sparkles. And it will truly take your bridal look to a whole new level of elegance and glamour, feeling like a goddess on your big day. Take a look at my soulmate wedding on Etsy and we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. We love helping brides globally to design gorgeous look that elevates them and helps them feel confident and adored on their big day. So take a look at our gorgeous luxury collection of romantic tiaras, crowns, crystal or pearl headpieces available in many different colors. Silver, gold, rose gold as the basic, and we are also expanding our collection to include more and more of added colorful designs. We have recently added purple designs and red and green, like the gorgeous emerald green is so hot right now. So if you are after something very unique and very special, then please visit My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy and we'll be happy to help. So much love to you.